In the last episode, we briefly talked about how different bodies relate to technology. We explored what happens when a person with a different body encounters a world designed for only one kind of body. Think about something as simple as a building without a lift. For one person, it's just a staircase. For another, it's a barrier that turns them from someone with a different body into someone who is disabled. This shift is at the heart of the social model of disability. Unlike the medical model, which places all the fault in the individual's body, treating difference as flaw, the social model says, wait a second, disability isn't just about bodies, it's about environments, infrastructures, and technologies. In other words, society itself plays a role in creating disability. Now, critics of the social model point out something important. Many people living with disabilities do experience pain, discomfort, or fatigue, regardless of how inclusive or exclusive the environment may be. Bodies are real, and pain is real. The social model doesn't erase that truth. But what it does show us, powerfully, is that society can make things better or worse. A curb cut, a ramp, a caption, a piece of software. These choices matter. This conversation leads us straight to inclusive design. Inclusive design begins with a recognition. Human beings are diverse. Our bodies, our abilities, our ways of moving, seeing, hearing, learning, they are not all the same. So why should our technologies, buildings, or classrooms assume one standard user? Instead, inclusive design says, let's build flexibility in from the start. Let's design so that as many people as possible can take part. And here's the beautiful twist. When we design inclusively, everyone benefits. Captions on videos help deaf users, yes, but also students watching a lecture in a noisy cafe, or commuters on a train without headphones. Step-free entrances help wheelchair users, but also parents with strollers, delivery workers, or travelers with rolling suitcases. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa help people with mobility impairments, but they also help you when your hands are full of groceries. Inclusive design is not just about technical features, it's about dignity. It challenges stigma by normalizing accessibility. It refuses to treat disabled people as exceptions who need special accommodations. Instead, it affirms that everyone belongs, everyone deserves access, and everyone should be able to participate fully in society. Let me give you a few concrete examples. In digital technologies, screen readers and alt text open the internet to blind users, while adjustable text size and dark mode help both low vision users and tired eyes late at night. In built environments, tactile paving guides blind pedestrians, but also helps distracted ones. Clear signage with icons helps people with cognitive impairments and tourists alike. In transport, low-floor buses with kneeling features make boarding easier for wheelchair users, but also for seniors and parents with strollers. And in education, frameworks like Universal Design for Learning give materials in text, audio, and video formats, supporting disabled students while enriching learning for all. So here's the big idea. Disability exposes the hidden barriers in our environments. Inclusive design is how we dismantle those barriers. And in doing so, we don't just make life accessible. We make life better, smarter, and kinder for everyone. I am Ehsan Erzurumçiler, a researcher of technology, and I invite you to join me in exploring how technology transforms our sense of what it means to be human.